નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Welcome students to third part of 14th chapter. How big, how heavy. Okay. And in the last part we discussed about or we prepared a 250 ml bottle, a 250 ml measuring bottle. But actually our concept is how big. That big is a volume. That is why in the first part we discussed about what is volume. The space occupied by an object. The space occupied by an object, anything, is a volume. And in our cells, what we discussed in the last part, suppose 5 rupee coin push up 10 ml of water, then 10 ml is the volume of 5 rupee coin. That is what we discussed in the last part. Now in this part, let's go for how many can fit in. This is also very good exercise through which you will come to know many things. So listen to this video very properly. How many can fit in? Let's start. Available on the page number 190. This is a cube whose sides are 1 centimeter each. You can see there is a cube. All the sides of this cube is 1 centimeter each. Let it be any side. It is 1 centimeter. See, your mathematics book is 1 centimeter high. See your mathematics book, it is 1 centimeter high. So guess, here you have to guess. So guess how many such centimeter cubes will take the same space as your mathematics book. Once again, so guess how many such centimeter cubes will take the same space as your mathematics book. Now we can see that. See, height, width. See, total 3 dimensions are there. See, this is height, this is width, this is length, whatever it is. So it is 1 centimeter high and same height our mathematics book. Okay. Now what we have to find out? What we have to guess? How many centimeters cubes will take the same space as your mathematics book? This is a small cube. So how many these small cubes will require, or they will take, how many these small cubes will require or will occupy the same space as our mathematics book? So for that, see, my mathematics book is about blank centimeter long. See what I am guessing. Suppose my mathematics book is about, say, 20 centimeter long. Sorry, let it be 25. Let it be 25 centimeter long. So 25 cubes will fit along its length. So 25 cubes will fit along its length. See, this type of activities we did. Why? Because 25 cubes will fit along its length. Why? Because the length of the cube is 25. So we can arrange 25 cubes on its length, along its length of the mathematics book. That is why 25 cubes will fit along its length. Now let's see the other. And about blank centimeter wide. Mathematics book is about blank centimeter wide. Suppose this is a mathematics book, isn't it? This is a mathematics book. So this is 1 centimeter. Now the length is 25. So we can say total 25 cubes will we can arrange है ना, we can arrange 25 cubes of 1 centimeter. Now width is suppose 20, so we can arrange total 20 cubes, isn't it? So and about 20 centimeter wide, so 20 cubes, so 20 cubes will fit along its width, isn't it? Okay. Now then how many total cubes will we can arrange along its length and width? So total blank cubes will fit on the math magic book. Now how many cubes? Then we know that we did this activity. Suppose how many cubes can be fit? Will fit on the math magic book. See, this way it is 20, this way it is 25. So we can say it is 25 multiplied by 20 is equal to 500. 500 cubes. 500 cubes. So here, so total 500 cubes will fit on the math magic book. Total 500 cubes will be fit on the math magic book. Okay. So we come to know that we can arrange total 500 cubes. Okay. Now, if all these cubes are arranged in one line, then how long will that line be? See, we come to know that total 500 cubes are required. Now, what we will do? Let's arrange all these 500 cubes in a single line. Okay, lengthwise. Okay, so 500 cubes we put lengthwise in a single line. Okay, length of one cube is equal to 1 centimeter. So length of 500 cubes will be 500 centimeter, isn't it? So it will be 500 centimeter. So if we arrange in a single line all these 500 cubes in a single line, then the length of the line will be 500 centimeter, isn't it? Okay. So this way we come to know something. The same thing we are going to discuss in our practice time. Suppose a stage platform is made with 5 mathematics books. A platform is made with 5 mathematics books. See, we discussed about one mathematics book. Now, if we keep 5 mathematics books one above the other, then a stage of platform is made with 5 mathematics books. The volume of this stage is same as blank cubes. The volume of the mathematics books of this stage is same as blank centimeter cubes. Okay. So in the ultimate way, we can say how many cubes will be required for this 5 mathematics. For one mathematics book, the cubes required The cubes required 500 cube, isn't it? So 500 cube. Okay. So actually this is not 500 cube only, but here you should know that 500 cubes, but it is centimeter cube. 500 cubes are there, but what is the size? That is in centimeter. You can see it is in centimeter. So we should write 500 centimeter cube for one mathematics book, isn't it? So if a stage is made up with 5 mathematics books, then how many cubes will be required? See, 5 mathematics will be required 5 books multiplied by 500, isn't it? So is equal to 2500 centimeter cubes. Okay. So the volume of this stage is the same as 2500 centimeter cubes. Okay. Now second question, guess the volume of these things in centimeter cubes. Second one, guess the volume of these things in centimeter cubes. Suppose a matchbox is about blank centimeter cubes. मतलब if there is a matchbox, then find out its length, its width, or how many this type of centimeter cubes will be required for this matchbox. So we have to guess only. So if we arrange, say, suppose length of the matchbox, let me make you understand. Suppose length of the matchbox is 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So isn't it? And the width is 4. The width is 4 and the height is 1. So we have to arrange 4 this way, length is 5 this way, and 1 centimeter, it is height. So we have to arrange, actually we have to arrange 5 multiplied by 4, isn't it? So we have to arrange 20 cubes. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So 20 cubes, but it is 20 centimeter cubes, isn't it? So the answer is 20 centimeter cubes in the matchbox, isn't it? So in the question A, a matchbox is about blank centimeter cubes. So it should be, the answer should be 20 centimeter cubes. See, what is this? Is we are guessing, just it is our guess. It is approximately. Now B, a geometry box. B. Suppose a geometry box is there, is about blank centimeter cubes. Suppose the length of the geometry box, length is equal to, suppose let me say it is 16, isn't it? And the width or breadth of the is equal to 7 centimeter. And see, geometry box is having some more height. Suppose it is the height of the geometry box, suppose 2 centimeter, isn't it? Suppose it is 2 centimeter. So we have to put the 1 centimeter cube 1 over second, then it will be 2 centimeter. Okay. So actually, how to find out? See, what we are doing, we are finding the volume of the geometry box, and to find out the volume, the formula, listen to me, the formula to find out the volume is, the formula is length multiplied by width. Width is, we can say, breadth. Length is what? Breadth. So volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, LBH. So what is the length? 16 centimeter, multiply by breadth 7 centimeter multiply by height 2 centimeter and is equal to it is let me tell you directly, it is 224 centimeter. 1 2 3 times, it is 3 times, that is why cube, that is 224 centimeter cube. Okay, that is why we should write something like that. Okay, the next one, see, an eraser is about. So first of all, let's think about the eraser. Suppose an eraser having the length is equal to 3 centimeter, breadth is equal to 2 centimeter, and height of this is 1 centimeter. For eraser. So the eraser, the volume of the eraser, the volume of the eraser will be V. Volume for V is equal to LBH, or we can say multiply, is equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6 centimeter cubes. मतलब के 6 centimeter cubes, total 6 cubes of 1 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter cubes will be required for an eraser. Okay, so how will you check your guess? Then you have to check your guess, just measure the things and you could come to know through that, isn't it? So with this we are ending this part. Try to understand this part, this is very important part. Try to understand this part. If you could not understand, watch this video 2 to 3 times. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.